Hi everybody, Cory Darling over here at Chevrolet at Homewood. I'm going to show you a couple ways that you can check your tires and know when they need to be replaced. Right this way, please. There are several ways to check your tire. I'm going to show you two today. The first one being the penny tire test. Simply take the penny. We're going to come down here to the tire. You're going to take the penny, you're going to put it in between the tread. You're going to put the Lincoln's head facing you and face down. As you can see, Lincoln's head is totally out of that tire tread. So you know these tires are at 2/30 seconds or less. It's time to replace. We're going to come over here to a brand new tire. I want to show you the comparison of how much this penny is going to be submerged into this tire, knowing that it's a good tire. If you can see there, Lincoln's head is totally submerged in here. This is a good tire. The second way I want to show you today is, if you don't have any change, is how to check on the tread wear indicators. Come on down to the tire. As you can see, in between these treads, you'll see notches that are raised up. When these notches are raised up flush with the tread, you know it's time to replace. I'm going to show you over here on a brand new tire the difference. Come on over here. As you can see, you find the notches inside the tire. Check them. You see you have plenty of tire life there. It's not flush with the tire. This is a good tire. Again, Cory Darling over here at Chevrolet at Homewood. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And when you're ready for your tire needs, come and see us over here in the service department. Thank you and stay healthy. And don't forget, our service hours are Monday through Friday from 7:30 to 5 and Saturday 8 to 4 by appointment only.
It's where smart shoppers shop for their Chevrolet. It's where smart shoppers shop